hi, it's next time. I'm in the exact same chair. I'm in the exact same situation. I'm going to start playing some music so I don't think too hard. It's nerve-wracking typing when even the slightest hint of someone else watching this threatens my every keystroke. Desktop. Here. We'll start with the basic nav. Okay, this is my goal for this session. Skeleton layout. I want a slot for the annoying popover. I'm going to call that the alert. I want a slot for the nav. I want body content. I want the whole thing to scroll. And if I was handed this image as the Figma, I want this nav to be sticky on the top. So when you scroll down, you can still see the same buttons for personal, business, developer, and help. I know from having messed around on the PayPal site that is not the case, but I think that is an objectively poor design decision. So I'm going to do it right myself. So here we go. So the first design decision is how to do a sticky nav header. And this is why they don't have a sticky nav at the top. The correct way to do it is to have an element that's fixed, and then have a margin top on the subsequent element to push it down as much as the header height is. So I'll show rather than tell. Class equals flex row. Div class, this is the header, width full, H32. Actually, let's not do that. Let's do personal text button with a class of padding Y8. So now the padding and the height and the font size of the text will push out this nav. And we're going to do BG gray 100 shadow border B. Am I building? No. Fat fingers. There. Header. Am I right? Except once I make the body, div class width full flex call, and then inside here you have another regular div that has the H2 for sign up on our app. I should just copy this text. I'm going to just copy this text so I don't have to check spelling. PayPal, please. Beautiful. Copy text. Done. This is P block. Phone number is input type equals text because we still haven't figured out how to do fancy inputs with a label that says phone number. Agree is a button that says that. I'm going to use the fancy wrap this text in a P block and do the same for this. Okay, so this is this is a div class flex items center, and each one of these is, this looks like a class with 2/3, and then oh, the label. Okay, so this is actually a field set I like using those. So the field is class width over whatever, and this is class the rest. Oh, but the button looks centered in the, maybe this could be like 3/5, and this is justify between, and this is maybe just a fixed height based on the padding of the, it doesn't matter. None of this matters. What matters is I need to get text here to realize that I did this wrong. Flex wrap. Okay. And this is actually 1/2. And there's a big old image of a phone. Give me the image of a phone. That's it. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Oh my Jesus. They have so many different sources. Why? I'll take the highest quality one, thanks. That's stupid. Yeah. Just gonna clear out the rest of these SVGs. I already did tell you guys that I attempted to do this live and it failed because I got anxious typing in front of non-humans. This should be called phone. Right, and then VS Code, I'll bring in the phone asset into the public dir. I'll stick it in the home page. Home page, phone. I mean, there's going to be more phone images, but screw it. This is the live site. Okay, so just to get something up there, here's image source equals slash homepage slash phone dot completion failed. Oh, I haven't set up my JS config. So it's looking for importable directories. I can fix this. Let me just get a new, I'm just going to copy my config from another project. I'm bringing it over to the other monitor because it might be, it's probably going to have private code. I don't want to be leaking company secrets through my stupid YouTube channel. This was a tsconfig.json, and it was on Webpack, the inferior build tool. So instead of resources, it's source, and there's no JS. That's the main path. Source includes everything. So I'm just going to close and relaunch. Could you run this command in the terminal, please? Great. Post CSX. That's fine. So now I should be able to import, auto import, get all the Volar plugins that I need. So there it is. And this is inside the, which div am I in here? So this will be its own div class with 1/2. Sure. There it is. So there we go. And now we have something to scroll to. In fact, I'm going to just go ahead and add some more lorem ipsum from good old lorem ipsums. Where's the lorems? Here's the lorems. So I'll add this. Block 1, and these are going to be class width 1/2. Okay. There's the lorem ipsum, and just do a few, and I'll show you a cool plugin that I love. Increment. There it is. While we've got them all selected, let's do some padding Y of 8, so I can tell. Let's just do some padding of 8. Okay, so I can scroll. And the issue, and the reason we made all this crap, is that I want to ensure that the nav is sticky. What time am I at? 10 minutes. Man, flies time when time flies. All right, join me next in a second, and I'll make the nav sticky somehow.